One TV Patrol.
Sa detalye, City Hall bukas sa pagpatuman sa bag-ong balaod sa Real Property Tax Amnesty Law. Positibo ang galamhan sa mga miyembro sa konseho o labi na ni Mayor Indy Waminal sa pagpatuman sa bag-ong naaprubahan nga national law labot sa exemption o amnesty sa mga penalty o surcharge sa real property taxes. Pasabot ni Majority Floor Leader Atty. Mars Tapayan, kabisan bukas ang asinso Usamis Administration sa pagpatuman sa maong balaod apan sa IRR o Implementing Rules and Regulation sa maong balaod duha pa ka tuig ang palabyon ay makapatuman niini ang mga local government unit. Buot pasabot sa June 2026 pa mahimong epekto ang balaod human kini gipirmahan ni Presidente Bongbong Marcos niadtong Hunyo nining tuiga. Esgutan ang bag-ong national law labot sa real property tax penalty human mipadangat og sulat ang Usamis Chamber of Commerce and Industry Foundation Incorporated nga gustong mo-apply niini ang mga miyembro sa chamber aron sa tuyo nga makunhuran ang ilang penalty sa real property tax.
And this is the time that the city mayor would make any recommendations regarding this new law being enacted by Congress and approved by the President. Will have to await with time upon due information from our Chief Executive Officer. In the meantime, I recommend that this letter of Honorable A.B. Tan, Ma'am A.B. Tan, Chair of the Board of Usamis Chamber of Commerce and Industry, be in the meantime be journeyed on record City Council, and we ask the Committee on Ways and Means and the Committee on Trade, Commerce and Industry to make representations to the City Mayor regarding this request of Madam L.B. Tan. Is, I think, particularly important to businessmen and residents of some city who fail to pay their real property taxes, because this provides an avenue for them to have a condonation of the interest and charges, and they will pay only the basic tax. So this will be a great help to our estimations with this tax amnesty. But this amnesty is available only within 2 years from the passage of this law.
TV Patrol.